Are you a student who's tired of juggling classes, part-time jobs, and still ending up broke at the end of the month? What if I told you that in 2025, students are building passive income streams that make money while they sleep? In this video, I'm breaking down the smartest and most realistic passive income ideas for students, even if you have zero experience or startup money. Get ready to discover how you can study smarter, live freer, and earn on autopilot. So, let's dive right into my absolute favorite passive income strategy for students right now. I've tried a lot of things, from surveys to freelancing, but the one that truly changed the game for me is AI-driven YouTube automation. Now, before you click away thinking it's too complicated, hear me out. This is perfectly designed for a student's chaotic life in 2025. Why? It's incredibly flexible. You can get started with little to no money, and the potential to scale is absolutely massive. You're not trading your precious study time for hours of work. You're building an asset that works. So, how does it actually work? Let me give you a quick look behind the curtain. The core idea is to create faceless YouTube channels in specific niches using AI tools to help with the heavy lifting. You can create channels about history, meditation, tech reviews, or even luxury travel. The possibilities are endless. For example, right here, you can see I'm using an AI scriptwriter to generate a video script on the most mysterious places on Earth. I feed it a prompt, and boom, in a few minutes, I have a full script. Then, I can use a different AI tool to generate a voiceover, just like the one you're hearing now. And for the visuals, I use platforms that provide stock footage and AI image generators to create compelling visuals that match the script. I assemble it all in a simple video editor, upload it, and let the YouTube algorithm do its thing. It's a system you can build. Now for my #1 beginner tip. Don't try to compete with the huge channels right away. Instead, focus on a hyper-specific niche. Instead of a general history channel, create a channel about forgotten battles of the Roman Empire. Instead of a broad meditation channel, focus on 5-minute guided meditations for college exam anxiety. When you target a smaller, passionate audience, your videos are much more likely to get noticed, gain traction, and build a loyal community. Higher visibility in a small pond is better than being invisible in the ocean. This focused approach is your secret weapon to getting monetized faster. But here's the unexpected benefit that's honestly more valuable than the money itself. Building an automated YouTube channel is like a real-world business school crash course. You're not just uploading videos, you're learning invaluable skills. You'll master digital marketing by figuring out how to title your videos and design thumbnails that get clicks. You'll understand search engine optimization, or SEO, to make sure your content is discoverable. You'll develop project management skills by creating a content schedule and managing your workflow. You're also honing your creativity and learning to analyze data from your YouTube analytics to see what's working and what's not. These are the exact skills that top employers are looking for. So even if your first channel doesn't become a viral sensation, you're building a resume and a mindset that will set you up for success in any career you choose. You stop thinking like a student who needs a job and start thinking like an entrepreneur who creates opportunities. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires initial effort to set up the system and a willingness to learn and adapt. But once you have your workflow dialed in, you can create a video in a fraction of the time it would take traditionally. Imagine spending just a few hours on a Sunday afternoon to schedule a whole week's worth of content. That's the freedom and leverage we're aiming for. This strategy gives you back your most valuable asset as a student, your time. Time to focus on your studies, time to enjoy your social life, and time to build a financial future without the constant stress of being broke. It's about creating a smarter, not harder, path to financial independence. So what do you think? Is AI YouTube automation something you could see yourself trying? It's just one of the powerful ways students can build real, sustainable passive income in 2025. If you found this idea helpful and want to learn more about this and other passive income strategies, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next video. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.